Direct replacement ensures a proper fit for the original equipment design. Reliable performance, designed by expert engineers to provide performance you expect. Cost-effective replacement, much less expensive than purchasing from the dealership. Professionally tested, this part has undergone vehicle try-on testing to ensure it fits, and performance measurement to ensure it lasts. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Easily replace that old worn-out steering wheel, with a new firm padding-wrapped wheel from Dorman. This low-cost repair solution is made to the same specs as the original equipment and utilizes existing control switches, the horn switch and airbag module. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for LMTV. With a little trimming, this steering wheel fits perfectly on light-medium tactical vehicles. The turn signal cancelling cam can be easily fitted under the new steering wheel by drilling and tapping mounting holes.